And how are you, Elmo?
I'm good. Thanks. Super excited. Pero may ano rin, may konting kaba din. Pero naninibabaw yung excitement pa rin.
Kamusta na parang malapit na yung start ng teleserye ni Janet?
Yes.
Malapit na mag-start yung teleserye ni Janet.
Yeah, in less than 3 weeks, magsisimula lang kami. So, a lot of things to, marami kaming papakilig.
Ano ba yung parang premise ng teleserye?
Ang Born for You ay basically magiging tungkol sa love in terms of the Red String of Fate. Yung Red String of Fate ay isang myth ng mga Japanese in Japanese culture na pag ikaw ay pinanganak, meron nang nakatakda para sa'yo. Ang Red String of Fate na yun ang magbibigay ng way para magkita kayo nung tao na nakatakda para sa'yo. So, hindi lang siya para sa mga Hapon, pero sa buong mundo yan, sabi lahat tayo may isang nakatakda para sa atin.
And so far, what is your favorite line?
Sorry?
What is your favorite line of the soap? Ano yung, so far, ano natatandaan mo gusto mong linyang nabitawan?
Because someone's pretending to be you on Facebook.
Inad ko rin lahat.
Inad kami lahat.
Sa akin, ang favorite line ko
Okay.
is,
That's how cute. Yeah, kasi
so si Kevin nasa Japan siya, and yung first time niya na-meet si Sam,
Instagram post.
napakita ni Sam yung beauty ng Japan ni Kevin. Sabi niya, look, tignan mo dun, it's Mount Fuji. Tapos sabihin ko, it's beautiful. Pero when I was saying it, I was looking at Sam. So, when I was looking at her, sabi ko, yes, it is beautiful. Pero I was talking about her, not Mount Fuji.
How about sa song? Anong
So you
favorite
really
line mo dun sa
feel
song?
the line. Feel mo yung line.
Of course, when you look at Janela, what's the first thing that comes into mind?
She's
Beauty.
beautiful. Is she more really beautiful than Mount Fuji?
Sorry?
Mount Fuji and Mount Everest.
Equal. I can say equal. Because it's also beautiful naman talaga when you see it. Pero, yeah, Janela's...
Iba talaga si Janela.
Sa song Elmo, ano yung favorite line mo sa Born for You na song?
It's Born for You na song.
Oo.
I think yung line na when David says, what is the chance in heaven that you find your way to me? I just think it's brilliant kung paano niya naisip yan. Kasi yeah, it's so romantic, the song is so romantic, and ma-feel mo talaga yung sincerity niya when he says, what is the chance in heaven that you find your way to me? So, parang ako as I sing it, pag narinig niyo sa version namin, parang feel ko pag narinig niyo yung line na yun.